Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add friends on Roblox. I'm going to start on the mobile app and then hop over to my desktop to show you there as well. So here we are on the Roblox app. I am on the home screen, so you just open up the app and it takes you here where you have all of the games to play here, and then you have your friends list at the very top. Now, in order to add friends, there's a couple of ways you can do this. I like to just go into the Friends tab by just tapping into that little arrow there, or you can just tap on the Add Friends logo there. And then once you are here, what you want to do is you can connect with contacts if you're on a phone device, but what the easiest way would be to tapping into the magnifying glass at the top of the screen, and then just go ahead and type in the username, including the numbers, and make sure you spell it right, of the friend that you want to add. Once you've done that, just hit return or search there, and it will bring up your friend's profile. Now, this is just another test account that I've created, but what I can do is you should see the little avatar with the plus symbol on top of their profile. If you just tap into that, that will automatically show. It'll have a little time or hourglass there showing you that you have a pending friend request sent out to that individual. And in order to see if they've accepted your friend request, you should see them now under your friends list. If you just go back to the home page there on the Roblox app, you should see their profile there where you can tap into that under friends, and you should see if they're online and all of that good information. Another important thing to remember here is to make sure that you have the ability to add friends. If there are some parental controls on your account or the person you're trying to add, there's a possibility that you will not be able to add them. So if you go into settings here, and then once here under settings, you want to go to right here where you see privacy, and then under privacy, scroll down to where you see right here where it says down below, it says communication is off. If this is off, you still will be able to send and receive friend requests, but at the end of the day, you need to make sure this is set to default, and you can have people message you and send you and chat with you. So if you want to join someone and play with your friends, you need to make sure you check these settings first here under privacy to make sure that you even have those things enabled. And now let's hop over to the desktop. Here we are on Roblox.com on the Chrome browser here. And what you would want to do here is right here where you see friends. This is the home page here. This is just roblox.com/home. The easiest and most convenient way of adding people to your friends list is going up here to this search bar. And then once you see this here, just go ahead and type in the username of the person. And then you want to go to people. So whatever their username is in people. And then once you do that, it's going to search for people with that username. And then the same thing goes here. You just click on add friend, and then it should tell you that a request has been sent. And that is it. That's how you add friends on both the mobile app as well as the desktop. If you have any questions about how to do any of this, please put that in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.